Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture, we are gonna study about the effects and benefits of free exercises. We will cover advantages, disadvantages, and the effects of free exercises in this lecture. As the free exercises can be performed at home and patient can perform them itself. As a precaution before guiding the patient, these exercises should be under supervision and proper guidance. In case of a brain damage, free exercises produces insufficient demand on the neuromuscular system. Muscle insufficiency or the trick movements make it difficult for the paralytic muscle to cooperate in the movement. There are several effects of free exercises over the body, including relaxation, joint mobility, muscle power and tone, neuromuscular coordination, confidence, and circulatory and respiratory coordination. We will discuss all these points one by one. Basically, the rhythmical swinging or the pendular movement help us to induce relaxation in the hypertonic muscle over the joint that is moved. In the opposing muscle group, the alternating and reciprocal contraction and relaxation that are required to sustain the movement help to restore the normal state of relaxation, which follows contraction. Such exercises which work up on a particular muscle group strongly achieve a reciprocal relaxation of the opposing group. For example, if the scapular retractors and the shoulder extensors work, they assist in the relaxation of the pectoral muscles. And these relaxation exercises are used in conjugation with other methods. They induce relaxation to reduce a state of wasteful tension in the muscle that is limiting the range of joint movement or reduces the efficiency of the neuromuscular coordination. To maintain a normal range of a joint movement, we should perform exercise in the full range. In case of limited range of motion, rhythmical swinging exercises are incorporated with overpressure at the limit of the free range that increases the range of motion. Either you want to maintain or increase the power of the working muscle. You should create the tension in that muscle. And to create that tension, you must perform an exercise at any speed that can be either slower or more rapid than the natural speed of the movement. And in order to increase that tension, you must increase the duration of the exercise. And to create a high degree of tension to increase the muscle power, you should use free exercises for any time but against the resistance. That can be offered either by the body weight or by the mechanical disadvantage of an adverse leverage provided by a long and heavy limb. In normal conditions, the muscle power is mainly maintained by the daily activities which are performed in the middle range. While in abnormal conditions, for example, the fixation of a joint, the power is maintained or improved by the repeated static contraction that must be performed throughout the day. Repetition of the exercises improve the coordination as the movement pattern become more efficient and simplified. It also facilitates the conduction of necessary impulses along the neuromuscular pathway. With the repetition of the exercise, one time required concentration become more or less automatic in character. For example, walking after the achievement of coordinated and efficient movement. Patient gained the confidence that assures him to maintain the subjective control of his body. He tries to do more new activities and he tries to experiment with new activities. For example, jumping a rope or shooting a goal. And objective exercises or the activities are used for this purpose. Both the heart rate and the respiration increase with the vigorous and prolonged exercises. The circulatory and respiratory cooperation is necessary during the activity by an active tissue because they need oxygenated blood and the removal of metabolic products that make them unable to continue their activity. Our cerebral cortex communicate with the autonomic nervous system, including respiratory, cardiac, and vasomotor centers, to prepare the body, along with the initiation of muscular contraction. These centers convey impulses through sympathetic fibers to the appropriate organ with the help of the adrenaline that produces increased respiration, increased frequency of the heartbeat, a rise in the arterial blood pressure, and the redistribution of the blood. All these changes results in the increase in blood volume in the muscles at the expense of that in the splanchnic area and the skin. All these changes occur as the result of anticipation of exercise. In the muscle, locally, capillaries become dilated and their permeability increases. That result in the exchange of fuel and the waste products between the blood and the tissue fluid. During the muscle contraction, carbon dioxide content and the temperature of blood increases. That stimulate the circulatory and respiratory system to further activity. Active exercises used to increase respiration, to increase both the local and general circulation, and to provide work for the heart muscle. Thank you for watching. For more videos, kindly like, subscribe, and share to my channel.